guys, what are we gonna do today? We're gonna do something really, really quick, fast and easy. Little paper mache star. Let's get started. So I'm using these 8-inch paper mache stars, and we might have a few left in my shop page. Otherwise, you can probably get them at your local craft shop. I am gonna use this decoupage tissue paper on this star. You can either use a decoupage glue or a glue stick. I'm gonna use a glue stick on this one. This is an extra strength glue stick. The one thing with decoupage medium, and it is wonderful to use, they stick really well, but it also activates your paper and it starts to bubble. And I noticed with this glue stick, it stays really, really well, but you don't have any of that. So we're going to do that on this one. I'm gonna start at the tip and then start bringing my center edges down. And I'm just working my way around the star. And I'm gonna have a few wrinkles in here, it's just the way it's gonna be. But most of them you won't even notice when we're done. Now I am going to lightly trim around and then sand. If you just make a slit, these center angles go, it makes it easier for sanding. I'm just sanding off the excess. Now let's do the other side in the same way. Some more glue stick, and you can be generous with this. Then once again, start in the center. I'm gonna bring one point down and go around my project. Trim the excess, and then I make my little slits, and then we are going to sand again. So now I'm just going to put a little wax on this. But if you didn't want to wax it, you could just seal it with any type of a clear sealer. And then the wax also finishes these little edges where you've sanded. And now our last step, we are going to use our glitter. Okay, so I'm just going to use a spray adhesive, just an all-purpose spray adhesive. And I am just going to sprinkle some mica on here. Vintage mica, but you could use any type of a glitter, or nothing at all, or just add a cute ribbon to it. There you go. Okay guys, I told you that was easy, wasn't it? So on this one I have a hanger so I could hang it on anything. This one, I took the hanger off, but you can even poke a little hole and put it on a stick, or hang it any other way you would like, or just set it. You could use different papers on different 3D paper mache elements and come up with all different looks. But whatever you do, have fun.